Greetings, everyone. My name is Daniel Burton, the GSNA president. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on your acceptance to JSU Graduate Studies. It's a big accomplishment that is well worth it in the end. I myself am graduating August the 5th. But enough about me. I'm here to tell you more about GSNA. GSNA is a great way to be involved on your campus. You can do it at a local or national level. We have officer elections every year, and even if you're not elected to an officer position, you're willing to just sit in. Your input's very important to us. We do things every year like discuss fundraisers and way to get students involved, or even help them through the programs. An exciting thing that I got to do was go to the president's house for a Christmas dinner. There are plenty of opportunities such as scholarships, mentoring programs, or just getting involved in newsletters with GSNA. We have a wonderful advisor, Dr. Lori McGrath, who is willing to answer any questions that you may have about GSNA, or you can reach out to myself. Again, there's plenty of opportunities, and we look forward to hearing from you. Congratulations on your acceptance, and go Gamecocks.